Hello, hello, hello. I done did it. I went back to Dave's Hot Chicken and got me the top loaded fries. Just look at it. Presentation. Oh my goodness. The put togetherness, the just textures, flavors. Okay, the only thing I have to say is, you see how everything's kind of like big and whole? I wish they would have like chopped it up or just put more. So I'm gonna chop it up real quick. All right, guys. Still looks good. Kind of crazy, but and guess what I got? Some more Dave sauce. Actually, you know what? Before I do anything, let's just try it. Chicken, pickle, fry. I lost it. Slippery out here. Okay, I think I got everything. Bussin'. I would have taken some more coleslaw or kale slaw. They use kale, I guess. I just want a little bit of ketchup because I can't help myself. I'll do some more Dave sauce too. Don't you worry. Oh, I almost forgot. I got their sweet tea too. I think they use Golden Peak or some shit. Not sweet. That's not sweet tea. Aside. Oh yeah. It's so good. There's all the coleslaw. I found some. This is a size small, by the way. I want to see the size. It's really decent. It's really decent. They have a regular too, which is gonna be bigger. Oh my lordy lord. Oh my god. See, only one more piece of chicken left. I want the chicken. That's really good stuff. Dave's Hot Chicken, they know what they're doing. Well, thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Subscribe. Takes 2 seconds. Boom, boom. That's it. But yes, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Tune in next time.